Listen baby, this is crazy, but you take my breath away. I know that we got these feels, I'm hoping that you feel the same. I know that we got these vibes, I'm hoping you reciprocate. Cause the way I feel, yeah, it's too real, and I've been thinking about you today. All of these feelings I know, I just gotta let it go. Keeping it low, keeping it all on the low. You say to just take it slow, you just need time, you need to really unwind. I'm just trying to make you mine, it'll be fine, I promise it'll be right. I just been all in my mind, yeah. I wouldn't mind if you were mine, it's so much more.
As you can see, the F-150 is back. It's the first day back, actually, and I was driving it today. As you can, it started out fine. It sounded fine when we initially took it out, and I was driving it this morning. It sounded fine, and all of a sudden, it started making this noise. Listen. So, I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Won't we, Thunder? We'll have to figure that out. So as you can hear, this is the next day of the steering rack, power steering rack being fixed. That was the problem, is the power steering rack. And sounds fine, as you can tell. It's not making any noises, it's back to normal. And this is good, very good, and very quick. So I'm gonna drive it around for a little bit, see how it feels.
Till you come ride with me, girl. You can vibe with me, girl. Touch the sky with me, fly with me, girl. You too pretty for these other guys. We gon' have some fun tonight. You can just call me up, tell me when you're ready and I'm pulling up. Waiting outside in a blacked out Benz, busy for the night. Just tell your friends anything you want and you know I got it. Everything on me, don't reach for your pocket. I know you a good girl, never do you wrong. Living in my own world, busy making songs, thinking about you every day, wishing that everything would go my way. But I've been searching and searching again. I'm looking for love, I'm not looking for friends. Wondering if you really might be the one. You know that you perfect, you shine like the sun. You make it.
So as you guys can tell, I'm in the F-150, and in my last video I did mention at the end that I would be taking a break since there was nothing to upload. Obviously, since I didn't have a car to make videos on, there's no point in uploading pointless videos. So this truck being a reliable means of transportation means I can start making videos again, and that's exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly what this video is. So I figured I'd put together a little reveal, even though this truck has been on the channel before. But I don't know, it's just the start of something new. But I don't know how much I talked about the truck last year, so I'll just tell you about it now. So obviously, since this is a 2007 F-150, this has the 5.4 liter Triton V8. Don't know how much horsepower or torque, but it is a nice engine. It does sound good. And as well, this is the Harley Davidson edition. You can see a little mini Harley Davidson there, and then there's a Harley sticker up there. There's badges on the sides of the truck, on the back. Here is a little dash plaque. a lot of reminders telling you what this is. It as well, as you can maybe hear, has a different exhaust unique to this truck, so it makes a nice little rumble when you hit the gas, which is always nice. And it rides pretty good. I mean, it's about what you expect for a 2007. And as I'm recording this, it's the end of April, so the weather is almost good enough for the Mustangs to come back out, so also looking forward to that. But at least with this truck, which isn't mine, my parents are just very generous. But we have some cars sitting around where I'm able to drive this, and obviously that helps for getting to work and places and now making videos, like I did when I had my Ranger. Really? So yeah, I figured I'd put together this little video just to say, hey, I'm back, and this is what's going to be the main focal point for the time being. I'm also going to be getting together with my friends and making videos. I don't know, I don't have a lot of plans, but it'll all work out and we'll just take it as it goes. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.